Crassula ovata, which is also commonly called the friendship tree or the jade plant, is a really fantastic, easy to grow succulent, and it'll produce greenery throughout the year. This is the most common Crassula, with its rounded, fleshy, dark green leaves, and they're often tinged in red. They'll often even produce flat clusters of small, starry white or light pink flowers in late summer. Water the plant moderately throughout the warmer months, and then reduce your watering during the colder months. Take care not to overwater it, and make sure it's not placed too close to a cold window. You can generally forget about it and it'll be absolutely fine. It's really difficult to kill and thrives on neglect. Another Crassula variety that's really cool is Hobbit. Many of the fleshy leaves of this variety forms tubes along their length, and this, combined with their red flush at their tips, make them really unusual. Over time, this shrubbery succulent may produce white starry flowers also. Crassulas are really simple to grow from cuttings as well. Simply tear off a leaf, allow the ends to callus over, and stick it in a pot of free draining compost. Place in a warm position with good light levels and keep the compost just slightly moist. For more information on how to grow crassulas, visit the RHS website.